Hello, I'm George Miller.
And I'm Michael Lau.
And welcome to the Channel 6 News at 8. Tonight, we investigate why Miss Gorsuch is so fantastic and why she should give us an A+ on our project.
But first, we send our team of reporters out to Los Angeles to examine why Charlie Sheen is so by winning.
But first, it's time for weather. Good evening. I'm your weatherman, Richard Tornado Diep.
And I'm Michael Thunderstorm Lau, your assistant weatherman.
But I'm your real weatherman, Richard Tornado Diep. We begin with the weather in the West Coast. A hot front will be sweeping over the region of Vancouver Island. Expect warm temperatures today with a high of 20 degrees and a low of 18 degrees. The air will be noticeably more humid, no more coats for those islanders. The hot air is expected to move up to the northern regions, cooling as it travels. It can be expected in Prince George, but quite a bit cooler from the Vancouver's islands.
It's fun to be at the beach, Vancouver Islander. Ha 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 ha.
Look up, Vancouverites. You'll spot narrow bands of strong westerly air currents, otherwise known as jet streams.
And the humidity from Vancouver Island will be passing over Vancouver.
Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air at any given time.
Thanks, Einstein.
As we look at the eastern regions of British Columbia, we expect a cold front settling in. A cold front is when a cold air mass is replacing the warmer air mass, causing temperature drops of more than 15 degrees within 1 hour.
Unpack those sweaters, Kamloops, and cancel any outdoor plans. It's going to be a cold day. And now it's time for Mr. Know-It-All to tell us more about the weather.
Thank you for that, Michael. As you probably all know, air mass is a body of air with horizontally uniform levels of temperature, humidity, and pressure.
That is very interesting, Richard. Tell us more.
Well, Michael, were you aware that a high-pressure system is where atmospheric pressure at the surface of the planet is greater than its surrounding environment?
Well, I know I haven't heard that before.
The winds in a high-pressure area flow outward due to the higher density air near the center and friction with the land.
Wow.
And low-pressure systems are regions where the atmospheric pressure at sea level is lower in relation to the surrounding locations. Low pressures form under areas of wind divergence, which occur in upper levels of the troposphere.
And that's all for the weather, folks.
Enjoy the sun, Vancouver Island. Good night.
Thank you, Rebecca. Welcome back to the news desk. Coming up after the break.
Some are saying that you're bipolar.
Wow, what does that mean?
I guess that, you know, you're on two ends of the spectrum.
Wow. And then what? What's the cure? Medicine? Make me like them? Not gonna happen. I'm bi-winning. I win here and I win there. Now what? If I'm bipolar, aren't there moments where a guy like crashes and like in the corner like, oh my God, it's all my mom's fault? Shut up. Shut up. Stop. Move forward.